In a small village nestled between the hills, lived a young boy named Tim. He was known for his boundless imagination and his insatiable curiosity. One day, while wandering through the market, he stumbled upon a kite. The kite was vibrant, with hues of blue and red that shimmered under the sunlight. Tim bought it without a second thought, his heart filled with excitement. He ran home, eager to assemble it. Tim spent hours trying to figure out how the kite worked. He understood the string, the tail, and the frame, but the sail was a mystery. He pondered over it, his brow furrowed with concentration. Finally, he decided to paint the sail with his dreams. He wrote about adventure, courage, and friendship. He painted it with such passion that the colors seemed to dance. The next day, Tim took his kite to the open field. With a swift run, he launched it high into the sky. The kite danced, soared, and twirled, painting the sky with its vibrant colors. A crowd gathered, watching in awe. Tim's kite was unlike any they had seen before. It was a spectacle, a dance of colors in the sky. But more than that, it was a beacon of Tim's dreams, a testament to his imagination. One old man in the crowd approached Tim. "Your kite is beautiful," he said, "but it's not just the colors that make it special. It's the dreams you've painted on it. That's what makes it dance." Tim looked at his kite, then at the old man. He realized the truth in his words. From that day forward, he painted not just a kite, but his dreams on every canvas he could find. The moral of the story is, dreams, like a kite, need to be given life and freedom to soar. When we express our dreams, they become real, they become ours. Let your dreams dance in the sky, and they will guide you to where you belong.